Today I'm going to discuss about the equivalent circuit of transformer. Okay, the equivalent circuit of transformer. So actually, the transformer is it transfers the electrical energy from one circuit to another circuit without changing the frequency. Okay, this is a basic diagram of one transformer. The transformer is it consists of primary winding and secondary winding, and one more is and core. Okay. Now this diagram, this transformer, this is a non-ideal transformer. This transformer shown in that diagrammatically can be resolved into an equivalent circuit in which the resistance and leakage reactance of the transformer are imaginary into external to the winding. Okay, use only the function this transformer, the voltage is applied to the voltage. Okay, now the primary the elements are this Rp means the primary resistance, Xp means the primary leakage reactance. Okay, XSS means the primary the secondary reactance, leakage reactance. The RS means the secondary resistance. The non-ideal transformers consist of the winding resistance and core with the finite permeability and leakage flux there and copper losses. Okay, copper losses are hysteresis losses and eddy current losses. Okay, now here the VP primary voltage equal to RP into IP and NP into d pi by dt. Okay, now this can be represented. There's a resistance and inductance series with the transformer. This can be represented as the mutual flux. There's a linkage both the coils, the primary leakage flux. This one is primary leakage flux. Now, okay, this transformer now ideal and circuit elements according to the transformer, and the voltage drops into the reactance. Okay, now the primary equivalent secondary induced voltage E2 dash is equal to E2 by K. Okay, this is a equivalent of T circuits. Okay, this is a primary side, this is a secondary side. This total transformer is can be resolved into this is equivalent T circuits. Okay, this is order circuit. This take this order differential equation to be solved. Okay. Now we can refer the impedance of the secondary to the primary side and primary to secondary side. The equivalent circuit can be in a read as the all resistance and reactance has been referred to the primary side. The all resistance and reactance have been referred to the secondary side. Means here Rp means primary resistance, Xp means primary primary reactance. Here, if you want to the secondary side reactance equal to A square into J of X of S. Secondary side resistance equal to A square into R of S. Okay, this is the all resistance and reactance have been referred to the all the secondary side. Rp means primary side reactance is equal to Rp by A square. A equal to the transformation ratio ARK. Okay. The secondary side is a reactance equal to secondary side primary side reactance by A square. Okay. Means A means transformation ratio. Transformation ratio means the ratio of V2 by V1 or N2 by N1 or I1 by I2 or okay. Means the secondary side voltage by primary side voltage, secondary side current by primary side current. Okay. This is a R2 dash. This is a R2 dash. This is RP minus dash means R2 by that. There is a transforming the secondary impedance. Okay, or R2 primary. Okay, in K square by using the K square. Okay, this combination of the winding resistance is called as the equivalent resistance. The combination of the leakage reactance is also called as a equivalent reactance. Okay, the total RP here this is a final equivalent circuit diagram of transformer. Okay, this is a cantilever circuit diagram referred to the primary. This is a final circuit equivalent circuit diagram of transformer. Okay, this is cantilever circuit model neglect the voltage drops exiting the current in the primary coil, but make the calculation that exiting the current much easier because of the primary voltage is applied directly to the magnetizing reactance and core reactance. The finally equivalent circuit of primary resistance equal to primary side resistance plus secondary side resistance. The secondary side resistance means A square into RS. Okay, A means the transformation ratio. The equivalent reactance in the primary is equal to primary side reactance plus the secondary side reactance. The secondary side reactance means A square equal XP plus A square into XS or XS 1 dash. Well, finally, Z equivalent primary equal to R equivalent to resistance plus the primary side of the reactance. Okay. The secondary side reactance equal to Rp plus A square by A square plus Rs, secondary side reactance. So Rp plus Rs dash whole square. The secondary side reactance equal to Xp by A square plus Xc. Okay. So totally final value is equal to Xp plus Xs whole square. So primary side reactance plus secondary side reactance whole square. So finally, impedance of the secondary side equivalent reactance equal to primary side, secondary side equivalent resistance of secondary side plus equivalent reactance of secondary side. Okay, this is a series equivalent resistance. You completely neglect the magnetizing branch in the transformation model. The only combined with the winding of leakage reactance. Okay. Okay. So, how to find the circuit parameters, RPX value, XS value, O2 value? By using there are two tests. The first one is OC test, second one is short circuit test. Okay. In OC test, you have to find out the core losses. In SC test, you have to find out the copper losses. Okay. The short circuit test means the one side of the transformer is short circuited. Okay, the secondary side on one side means secondary side. The secondary side of the transformer is short circuited. Now the voltage is applied to the other side until the rated current for the winding. So now apply the voltage value to reach the rated current. Okay, in the follow through the winding. The upper voltage in the winding current, the input power will be measured. Okay, you have to calculate. You have to take in the values of upper voltage value and rated current value and power value. Okay, the technique means the low voltage side of the transformer is short circuited. The voltage is upper to the high voltage side. Okay. Actually, the transformer is the two winding, the primary winding and secondary winding. The second primary winding is high voltage, the secondary side is low voltage. The low voltage side is will be short circuited. Okay, the primary side, the voltage is applied to the primary side voltage. Okay, because it is only take the about 4% to 7% as rated voltage causes rated current in the flow of the winding. Okay. Now the next one is open circuit test. The open circuit test to open the low voltage side, the high voltage side is open. The rated voltage applied to the low voltage winding. Okay, the secondary side is a high voltage. The primary side is a low voltage. The high voltage side is open. The primary side is open applied to the voltage applied. The voltage side is used to avoid the high voltage measurements. There is no with the no load current and only using the current to flow because of the impedance of the primary side is small. The voltage across the magnetizing branch is approximately equal to the upward voltage. Okay. So the finally you have to find out the Z1 as Z input of the Z1 and okay primary reactance value and you have to find out. Okay. This is a equivalent circuit of no load voltage. No load voltage is equivalent. Okay. No load voltage means there is no leakage and leakage reactance and resistance values. So finally, no load equivalent means the no load current value. So to find out how to find out the R0 and X0 value. No load resistance value, no load reactance value. R0 equal to means the V1 by IC working component. Okay, voltage by working component V1. X naught equal to V1 by IML. V1 equal V1 by magnetizing component. So what is the formula for magnetizing component equal to no load current into sin phi. That is a magnetizing component. IC means working component or active component. Means IC equal to I naught into sin phi. No load current into cos phi naught. Okay, IM equal to I naught into sin phi naught. Okay, this is a equivalent circuit parameter referred to the primary and secondary side respectively. Okay, this is a Z1 means primary side react impedance, Z2 means secondary side impedance. R1 means primary side resistance, X1 means the primary side um, reactance. X2 means the secondary side reactance, the R2 means the secondary side reactance. This is a total equivalent circuit of the final equivalent circuit of the transformer. Okay, R1, X1, and this is R0 and X0. Okay, current passing through the R0 and X0 is I0. The current passing through the R1 and X1 is I1. Okay, the primary side voltage is E1, the primary side induced EMF is E1. The secondary side voltage is V2, the secondary side induced EMF is E2, and the resistance value is R2, and the reactance value is X2. Okay, the combination of the resistance and reactance is Z2, and the combination of the resistance and the reactance of the primary side is Z1. Okay. The effect of the circuit parameter should not be changed. The while transferring the parameter the one side to another side. So like it can be provided the resistance R2 in secondary side is equivalent to R2 by K square will be denoted by R2 dash. Okay. Now finally I1 square R2 dash equal to I2 square into R2 because of the I2 R2 dash equal to I2 means I2 by I1 square whole square by R2. R2 by K square. K equal to transformation ratio. Transformation ratio equal to I1 by I2 or N2 by N1 or V2 by V1. Okay. Now the transforming the secondary side parameters are R2 dash by R2 dash equal to R2 by R2 by K square. And X2 dash equal to X2 by K square. Z2 equal to Z2 by X square. E2 equal to E2 by K. And I2 equal to K into I1. K equal to N2 by N1. This is a transforming the secondary parameter to primary side. Okay, secondary means what will happen the X1 plus R1 here I2 dash equal to R2 dash plus X2 dash. This is a secondary parameters. The secondary parameters to primary side. Okay, now the secondary primary parameters to secondary side is okay. The transform the primary side parameters to secondary side is R1 dash 2 equal to K square into R1, K dash equal to K square into X1, and Z1 dash equal to K2 into Z1. So here similarly getting the parameters also referred as R02 dash and next node. This is equivalent circuit primary side parameters to secondary side. Okay. Okay, this is the equivalent circuit with respect to primary. With respect to primary, R1 plus R2 dash, X1 plus X2 dash. So R1 plus R2 dash equal to R01. Okay, X1 plus X02 dash equal to X01. Finally, you get the impedance values Z01. This is the equivalent circuit with primary side. And approximately. Okay. The equivalent circuit with the secondary side is this is what will happen is here R2 plus X2, but here R1 dash plus X1 dash. Finally R02 equal to R2 plus R2 plus R1 dash, and X1 not equal to X2 plus X1 dash. So you get the values is R1 dash R2 plus K into R1 R2 plus R1. Then finally get the Z1 not plus Z2 equal to final Z value. Okay, this is the equivalent circuit with primary. Okay, in order the no load circuit, the full load current, no load current will be neglected. Okay, this is the primary circuit, equivalent circuit of final transformer. Okay. Okay, these two are equivalent circuit developed to the secondary side. This is equivalent circuit of primary side. Okay, thank you.